Brad Palibising Lawyer, Structural Head at ACL Sinaga. Whether you are joining us for the first time or returning, I am excited to have you in our community. Starting at a new school or in a new class can feel a little intimidating, but you are not alone. To show you what a great community, we have here our student to demonstrate what our Wekali culture is all about. Let's take a look.
Hi there, I don't think you can see before. You look new here.
Yes, I'm today following my girl's first grade, to be honest. I'm feeling like confused.
Oh, that is completely normal. Welcome, my name is Ravish Paracera. Moving school is harder than people expect, but it gets so much easier with time. Mexico is
I really just go for work. I to transfer and do the job, but I really nice to meet
we really try to be equal. We try to make well or pass on the ground.
We do speed communication right now doing what it is. Now, we are peace.
Oh, I know that it's actually class like this. Actually just done the sport. Come on, I will walk with you. We can also grab some lunch later and introduce to some other stuff.
That is already. Thank you so much.
This is the exact kind of support you can expect here at ACL Sinaga. Our goal is to make sure everyone feels valued, celebrated, and ready to learn. When returning student, keep an eye out for everyone who looks new. And be sure to say hello for our new student. Please don't ever be shy to ask questions. You can reach out to me via email or catch me in room at CSS 11A. I'm asked. Okay na.
I'm going to
Reach out.